Okay, so today we are going to be trying some stuff that I decided to pick up while I was out. So we got strawberry gummies, products of Japan.
Fresh from overseas.
We're going to be doing caramel apple donuts,
I thought you could get these at Walmart. You can't get them at Walmart.
product of Georgia, the bread store, Tasty Cakes or whatever that store is called.
Tasty cakes.
A mixed berry popping boba, a mango passion fruit popping boba drink, a big roll grilled seaweed sushi roll, product of Japan.
Seaweed sushi.
These are also products of Japan, I think. And then we are also going to be doing a noodle bowl at the end that I will talk to you guys about at the end. So what do you want to dive into first?
My bad. I'm sorry. So the noodle bowl was for last, right?
Mhm.
You said the end. I know I'm a little medium. Y'all have to forgive me.
Yeah, no. You want to try first?
See what this big crunch wrap supreme is
I
talking
was
about.
afraid you wanted to. I want you to do little strawberry things first.
So this is gonna balance it out if it makes it nasty.
Okay.
She can't get into the box, y'all.
Oh, it's multiple.
Ooh.
Oh, that's cool. I thought it was just one.
Alright, cool.
All right, here.
Alright, let's see what we got going on right here.
It's like seaweed.
It looked like one of the
No.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
It look like I need to break this down and roll something up.
Ready? 1, 2. But it's just like fried chicken when you first bite into it. It's just like fried chicken when you first bite into it.
Mine was extra crispy. But you know what?
This is delicious.
It is. It's sharp. You gotta be careful.
I don't know what the sweet is on it, but
I think that's the seaweed part. I think.
I didn't use on sweet. It's just supposed to be.
It's got sugar in it. That's why.
Bro, seaweed roll.
Yeah, it's got sugar in
It's
it.
tasty and easy.
Tasty and it's tasty. It's easy.
I definitely get these. These are actually good.
Get you some Japanese rellos. You can eat them. They're good.
Alright, those aren't gonna last through the night.
What we got now? We got strawberry gummy candy. That's what we're just talking about.
I don't know how that's gonna taste coming up fresh off of seaweed.
It's probably gonna throw it off. That's why I was like, you sure you wanna do that first?
I said let's do the strawberry gummy first.
I was just testing, make sure you was on your toes.
Hurry up.
Give
me. No, stop.
Trying to be cute with it. Come on.
Oh, it actually didn't throw it off. It's good.
I like that. Japanese gummy.
Oh, and it's gluten free.
For all you gluten warriors out there. Ain't no gluten. They look a little interesting.
They definitely taste like strawberries. These are good.
They're good. Come on now, you don't want it.
No.
You want one? No. That's your shot.
Okay. Next is donuts.
Okay. You're gonna try your grandmama caramel apple covered donuts.
Yeah, I put it in the camera.
I did it wrong. I ain't do it right now. Grandmama covered caramel apple. So we're gonna see what they're talking about. Open them up.
I am.
Hurry up, bro.
Don't play with me.
You know what?
Don't play with me.
The bite you. I wish you won't.
Shut up.
What smell like?
Ooh. It's not them crunch donuts.
I do. I think it's just gonna be the regular crunch. I don't see why it wouldn't be anything else. Go ahead and do me a favor. When they go missing, don't even ask what happened to them.
It's good. I don't taste the apple though.
You know, it tastes like the regular
It's a regular crunch donut.
donut. Maybe one more just because I like it.
I'm not mad at it, but I don't taste the apple.
Ain't no apple.
Give me another one.
Ain't no caramel. That's crunch donut. So if you go to the store, they good. But if you go to the store, everybody is expecting some extravagant flavor. You got finesse.
Go ahead and get you a regular pack of crunch donuts.
That extra 50 cents to $1 you paid for them, you got ripped off, bro.
They were $1.
We got kids, so
y'all good?
You ain't hear no babies crying. No, they good.
Alright.
Ain't hear no babies crying.
Alright.
Fine.
Mango passion fruit.
Which one we doing first?
This is mango passion fruit green tea.
Supposed to shake them up?
That one, no.
Mixed berry hibiscus tea.
Okay. Of course, I'm a mango person, so I'm gonna try.
I heard the mango too. You got my favorite one. I drank a hot biscuit.
Are you supposed to shake it?
I shook mine. I don't know. You know how black people get stuff and they shake it sometimes. Like, you gotta wake it up.
I'm trying to shack well before use.
Where you see that at?
Right here. It says shack.
Shack well before use. Hold on, zoom in on that player. What that say?
It says shack well before use.
I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but it says shack well before use. That's wild.
Oh my god. Okay.
So we done shock it well. Come on.
Let's shack it.
Shack it, baby. Stupid.
Oh.
Oh, I done shacked it.
Maybe we shacked it too well.
I don't know, maybe.
Oh. Hey, baby, what's up?
Of course. You heard the drinks crack open, so now you want something to drink.
They weren't good.
Come here. Where you going?
They weren't good. This is excellent.
I don't know. What you drink, y'all? That one look different. It's delicious.
Yes.
Yeah. I will say.
Come back.
Yeah, he finna run off with the drink. Eli approves.
Eli approves. 10 out of 10.
I will say.
You like it? Yeah. You like it? Okay.
For me.
Here, how about this one?
I feel like.
Taste that one.
With the last two sweet things we had, it kind of canceled out the sugar for me.
You know what? You're right.
Ooh, give me another Rello. Edible Rello.
You want to try it?
I gotta bust them down.
Ooh, I broke it.
Ooh, you gotta be like. Premium.
You want to taste it?
Look at the roll on that. Look at the pre-roll on that.
You gotta taste it. You like it?
Remember, I forgot it was sharp.
Oh, it tastes like fried chicken.
I forgot it was sharp.
You don't like it? Eli does not approve.
Eli didn't approve. It's not a baby snack for real. Well, it's a grown man. Get done. What do we ain't never been done for? Sometimes I just be talking to mommy.
Okay. Got the salty on my palate.
It's good.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Try it again.
No, I think that's just the taste, but
Okay.
it's good though. I like it. It's not too sweet.
I like this one better though.
Or it's mango.
No, stop.
Mango win.
Hey, stop. Stop.
I forgot this was boba tea. And I was just gonna be like, bro, what the hell is that?
Poppin' boba.
I forgot what it was for a second.
Yeah, I got the poppin' boba drink. They had a bigger selection this time when we went.
Last time I went, they didn't have much of a selection.
They had the new sign under.
I think. I said, these are better than the last ones we got.
I said you got that chai coffee and stuff.
Nah, that was wrong.
All
That
right,
wasn't
save some of the drink
it. So we're gonna need that, huh?
because now we're getting to the end.
Uh-oh. Hold on, put them off camera.
All right, so the end comes volcano chicken noodle bowl.
Yeah, no, there you go. They'll like some BS.
Product of Japan.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot.
We're finna try these. All right. Ready?
No.
Well, get ready.
This suck, man.
Woo!
Let me smell this shit first.
It smells good.
Smell like a regular pack of ramen.
Smells good.
Hold
Ooh.
on, let me get it good.
Ah.
Oh, you got the big bite. Go ahead.
Dude, we gonna do this together.
We're gonna do it together.
You tripping.
No, I thought maybe you wanted to make sure
Right,
it wasn't
ready?
poison first. Hold on.
Then that means you would taste it first. 2, 3.
So the hot immediately hits you.
Woo. It's not a terrible hot.
Nah, that's hot.
It's not a terrible hot.
I don't like spicy stuff.
Well, yeah, you don't like spicy stuff. And it's hard to pick these up off the table.
She gonna eat them.
That's good though.
They're hot. Ah. You gonna eat some more?
Yeah.
Beep, 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 beep.
Hey man,
Beep, 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 beep.
Eli gonna pull up in the Lambo. We finna ride out, y'all. Say vroom vroom. Beep beep.
It's not as hot as they lay it on to be. But
Yeah.
I will say, when I squeezed the sauce out of the packet, the sauce was black.
I don't like spicy stuff, y'all. I can't do it. Matter of fact, let me see one of them tasty cakes.
Hey, baby. No, you can't eat these. These are hot, baby. I'm not gonna give these to you.
No, we ain't doing that. You grab all that. Oh, wow.
That's hot.
No, Eli, here.
Yeah, go eat that.
Hot.
Cameraman trying to eat the snack.
I didn't have a problem with any of the snacks. These are actually really good.
You can keep them fire noodles. I'm good on that. My mouth's still hot from that.
What was drink?
It didn't help. It didn't help at all. Yeah, that didn't help at all.
Nope, it's hot. But I'm pretty sure my mouth is more on fire because I ate more than you did.
It's great on that. Give me the last Rello. It's the last Rello.
Her. We're gonna go back to Pop Shelf and get some more.
But as we partake in the last
Here.
Japanese edible Rello, I'm gonna take the time to close this video out. What a prompt ass whooping. If there's anything you want to say, go ahead and say what you gotta say.
It tastes like fried chicken when you first bite into it.
There you go. Okay. Oh, what happened when you can't handle your Rello?
I thought it was just one big sushi roll. So when it said big roll, and I only seen one pack in the what's it called in the little screen. I thought it was just one big old sushi roll.
I like it. Very delicious. Buy some more Japanese big roll Rellos. You can eat them. You can roll them.
Get your finger out
You
of
can
there.
smoke
Don't do
them.
that, baby.
Have it your way.
Bubble. Bubble.
You ate the bubbles. It's on your neck. Yeah, these were good.
Hold on.
Eli, drink it.
Let me get a bowl.
Bubble. I'm a bubble. I'm a bubble.
These were good. Honestly, these I would probably say an 8 out of 10, just because I didn't like the initial sweetness of them.
For me,
I feel like seaweed is supposed to be a salty snack. I didn't like the sweet.
I'm gonna give it a 9. Only reason I give it a 9 is because it was a little sharp.
I didn't.
So when
I
you
didn't
bite
like the
it,
sweet.
you gotta watch it how you bite it because you will hurt your mouth. But I did like it. It's got tasty flavor. It reminds me of.
I didn't like that sugar. I didn't like that.
Reminds me of when I used to get the sweets.
Yep. These, like you said, get you a regular pack of Crunch Donuts. Don't fall for the hype.
That's finesse. They good though.
They're really good. These right here, of course. I need a white. Can I get a wet nap? I need a wet nap.
Gluten-free strawberry gummies. That's how we
What's
get them.
anyone left?
That's yours.
Thank you.
That's how good it is. We're so far. We
Yeah,
get wet
really
wipes. We get wet
I gotta
wipes.
wipe my hands off.
Spontaneously delivered when we need them.
Well, it was good though.
Yeah.
It really was. My lips are burning a little bit, but it's not bad.
That cup of noodles, that was some BS, man.
It was good. I liked it.
I mean, yeah, of course, it's the chicken flavor and all that, but it was like
it was good.
Yeah, it was like lesser for me. I wouldn't do that.
I bet you'll eat it if you had a regular pack of ramen to it.
Yeah, I would, because the noodle itself is good. Yeah. It's just they could have kept that hot stuff. All you
gotta do is add another pack of ramen to it, mix it up.
You have to add like 4-5 packs of ramen to it.
It's not that hot now. It's not that hot. We just played Hot Ones the other night.
That was about like that.
No, it was not.
Yeah, it was.
That sauce in Hot Ones was way hotter than that. Way hotter.
Not too far off though. But I think that's it.
That's cool. I like these. I'm definitely be getting these again. Oh, y'all still here?
Mm-hmm.
Don't do something with your family.
Stupid.
Bye.